Hello, YouTubers. Well, what have we got here? Well, it's my old iPhone, an i6, I believe. The problem is I picked it up this morning and it felt kind of lumpy. Now, how does an iPhone feel lumpy? Well, I'll show you. This region here has swollen out of its case. What do you think that means? I'm betting it's battery. Let's take a look. Well, I removed the drop case, and yes, look how swollen that thing is. Woo! That's bad. Let's see now. Where did my spudger go? Where did my spudger go? Should be here. There it is. Notice something inside has swollen and popped this thing apart. Once again, I believe it's the battery. The lithium-ion battery. Just getting ready to burn me all up alive. Okay. I've got my spudger out. I'm prying it in the case. This isn't going to be easy. I probably should heat it up a little bit, but it does come apart. I'm a little concerned that something ugly might happen. We'll hope not. Boy, there's a lot of good stuff on here to hold this together. Holy mackerel. Maybe I need to use a screwdriver. The problem with screwdrivers is always the, oh look, it's come alive. It's alive. There we go. Won't be alive much longer. Oh, sure enough, this battery has opened up and is bad, 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 bad. An iFixit replacement battery is swollen. That's spooky. The earlier Apple battery failed and I replaced it. I had forgotten I had done that. I replaced it with an iFixit. Well, I guess this phone has come to a sticky end. That's a little bit sad. I keep my old phones. There is no SIM card in here. I use it for a little terminal for my network. I simply only use the local network to use it. It's amazing how useful a phone can be even when it's not connected up to the internet. You have them laying around the house. They do all kinds of things for you. Well, this thing has had a bad demise, and look at this squishy thing. Squishy. I wish I could show it to you better. But it's puffy, and puffy isn't good. Well, that's it for ToobTime today. We've seen that a failing battery can, in fact, pop open the back of the case under pressure. I am not going to let the pressure off. Okay, YouTubers. Oh, YouTubers. Okay, ToobTimers. Have a good day and keep on poking.